Hello guys and welcome back to a new video on this channel. I'm Sobi from CodeRevolution. So today I'm glad to announce that WordPress 6.1 will be released tomorrow on 1st of November. And this is really close right now, and I make this video just to let you know that all the plugins that I created are WordPress 6.1 compatible and are working without issues. So here I have WordPress 6.1 on. Here I tested this WordPress version before it will be released, and all my plugins are working correctly. I have here all of them activated and they are running without issues. So you can go ahead and update all the plugins that you have will work also on this new WordPress version 6.1. So go ahead and update WordPress from the part of my plugins. They will work and will continue to work also on this new WordPress version. So what's new in WordPress 6.1? They have new features for the front-end editor, for the Gutenberg editor, new site health checks, performance improvements, improved template system, and fluid typography. And I will leave this kinsta.com link, this article link, where you will be able to read the details about this new version, because I don't want to bore you guys with these new features, because not all of you guys might be interested in what this new version of WordPress will bring. So I want to tell you guys just that all the plugins that I created will continue to work also on this new WordPress version. And if you are interested in what this WordPress version will bring, leave me a comment in this video's commenting section, and I will make another video here on this channel and tell you guys about what this new WordPress version will bring and what new features will it have. If no comments will come with this request, I will skip this video and I will continue on with my schedule. And yeah, so go ahead guys, update to WordPress 6.1 tomorrow, because it will be available on 1st of November. It will work without issues. So yeah, if you haven't heard of my plugins and you haven't checked all of them, go ahead and click the link from this video's description. I will leave a link to my plugins there and you will be able to check them. Thank you for watching until the end. This is really appreciated. Hit the like, subscribe, and also commenting is welcome. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.